I'm MJ and live in Northwest Ankeny, and I've got a 2021 Z51 3LT C8 Vette. And just thought it'd be fun to come out and see all the different vehicles. I'm a car nut. Doesn't matter the brand, the cost, anything, I just love cars. I'm a huge Trans Am fan, so I saw a couple of those. A couple of C8s that have some things that maybe I'd like to do to mine. And I definitely, believe it or not, even though I have a Corvette, I love Mustangs, and I've seen some GT350s. Out here, I saw a Heritage GT350 that is wow. Always respected the Corvette. The Corvette's obviously iconic. But honestly, the previous generations, there was always something about it that for me just didn't trip every trigger. And when the C8 style came out, I knew I had to have it. I was very fortunate. My last car was an Audi R8 V10 Plus, super high performance, 10-cylinder all-wheel drive. And once you experience the mid-engine car, I knew that when they went mid-engine, it was gonna take it up, not just a notch, but maybe 5 or 10 notches. And honestly, a 3LT interior in a Corvette is every bit of the R8, and the R8 literally costs 3 times more than the Corvette. And this interior is hands down as good or better. No, I appreciate you guys taking the time to put this on. It's nice for Karl to do it. The facility is amazing. And actually, I have a new C8R edition on order from Karl, and it has a tentative production week of the first week of October from Linda. See Linda at Karl Chevrolet.